Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a two-owner 1987 Pontiac Firebird. My client's owned this since the mid-90s. He purchased from his nephew, who purchased it brand new. And it's a little bit different than it was when it came out of the factory. He spent, I don't know, $160,000 on this car, converting it to like a street strip car. Has the best of everything in it. Never been raced. Got a little over 300 miles on the tune and the breakdown. It's got an NHRA certified cage. Started as a rust-free car. New interior. Power windows. It's got an LSX 454. Built by James Antonette at JA Performance. Guys are the best. Got a brand new TKX 5-speed transmission. QuickTime Bellhousing. I got all the build photos too. There's hundreds of photos of this car. It's got a McLeod dual clutch setup. It's got a Dart LS next block, Dart Pro 1 LS3 heads, comp cams, roller everything. The wheels are completely refinished too. Willwood brakes up front. It's got a fast LXR intake, 102 millimeter throttle body, new paint. Fuel cell in the back. All APR hardware. 7-quart Moroso oil pan. The fuel cell has two Aeromotive 340-gallon fuel pumps. And it's got braided steel lines. So it's got a 10 with an 8 return. Four-wheel with disc brakes by Willwood. Has a swing out too. Interior's all new, brand new carpet. Dynomat throughout. Nice headliner. Pro Mod switch system. Let me show you into the hood. This is where the money is. There she is. There is a ton of money in this car. Stainless steel headers, Willwood master. The cage comes all the way through, as you can see. Coil over front struts, 410 gears, Mosier rear too, 35 spline axles with the long studs, big high flow stainless steel headers, nice braided lines for the fuel system. Sure, I'm missing more. Definitely check out the listing for more information. Moroso wires. They fire it up. A little bit of a system to fire it up. neutral. Turn the key on. Turn on the ignition. Fuel pumps come on and start it up. So it's got 379 miles on the build. All the wiring and everything is down here. This car is extremely fast. Got harness belts in here too. Subframe connectors, obviously. Definitely more than meets the eye on this car. The race pack shows you everything here too. See that? Dual fans, I mean, jeez. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. And check out about 300 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.